Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot fail.
Are you not able to get up?
There we go.
Ow!
Where are you?
Nowhere.
Freddy, why have one baby? Why have two babies when you can have 3 babies?
I was not ready to have triplets.
Dad.
Goo gaga.
Not ready to have triplets.
Oh, it's Cowboy Dad. Gross. Avoid Dad's
God.
love.
I gotta keep all 3
Why
of you
would
alive?
we wanna avoid Daddy's love?
Oh, I'm making a mess here.
Well, this was a quick round.
Wait, what? Oh!
Why are you so fast?
Where's the fire extinguisher? Where the heck is the fire extinguisher?
Insert toaster. Wait. Why is this not working? Oh!
Goodbye. Oh, come on.
No, you can't die first!
Too late.
Is there no fire extinguisher? Oh, wait, right there. No!
Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. What am I doing? I'm pooping onto the screen.
Wait.
We got 2 daddies.
Double daddies.
You're mommy daddy. Or daddy
What
mommy.
the? Why are you a skeleton?
It was a weird Halloween night, okay? Don't question it.
Mommy said something else happened.
We, me and her, just agreed not to talk about it. Oh! You know what? You want to fight? Fine.
Oh, bring it on. I'm ready for you. Ah,
Ew.
yeah, that's the stuff.
Wait, how are you? How are you not affected?
Oh, yeah, that's...
Children.
I took him out.
How are you not
Oh, you
affected?
broke the good stuff.
Take him out.
Why?
Shoot her!
Why are you not helping?
Hey! Oh, God.
You're killing him. You're not supposed to kill him.
It's Satan. Take that.
Why am I having random heart attacks?
Oh, we're out. No.
Come here, baby.
No, my favorite toy. Give that back, you ugly monster.
You keep an eye on that one. Where did the other one go? Where did the ugly one go?
Ow, stop. Ow, stop. Ow, stop.
Shoot the baby.
Ooh, nails. Mmm. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Jump it.
Where are
You know
you?
who I am.
We're missing one.
I like this toy.
Ha, your toy has no more power.
Aw.
I will become a goat. What's this? Ooh, a tablet. Oh.
I don't think you're gonna have to worry about me. I think you should worry about
No, I'm dying, right?
You're supposed to stop them from dying.
Dang it. I looked
Did
hideous.
anyone already
with it.
die?
No,
No,
we
only
don't.
one has to, only one dies.
If any of them dies, we lose. And I don't know where the other one went.
Yes. Huh. Whoa! What? I just threw that in your face and you caught it. Oh my God! Get me out of this house.
Where are you?
What the? What? Someone around me? No. The demon found me. Hi-ho, Silver!
Goodbye! See you later! I am now gonna... Wait, it's taking... There we go.
What did you... Brother, where are you?
You know what? Mr. Pepper, you and him get to be the dads.
Okay. I'll take that. And then... What the... Hey, nope! Oh, God! Freaking Kamehameha! I can't... Jesus. Come back here. Why is my other dad not helping me?
Hey, what do you think you're doing, little buddy? What do you think you're doing? Come here.
Ow.
Oh, that didn't work out.
Where did the fire extinguisher go? Oh! Panics! There it is. No. I can't pick it up! I can't pick it up! Oh my.
Wait, what? Oh, I'm super fast.
I burned alive.
That's enough. I don't know which baby this is, but.
Hey! Whoa, why are
There's
you wearing
one,
that?
baby.
Hi. You wanna play with me, son?
The other one's in here somewhere.
How do I get up?
Oh, I hear that. What do you think you're doing?
Oh, I am.
What are you doing?
I am going to die.
I don't even know what you're doing to die.
Wait, where did the baby go? Oh, you're down there.
Where are you? In the engine?
No.
I'm hearing water.
Yeah, I'm drowning. I was in a washer.
Wait, where's the
Oh my-
washer? Ah, stupid game.
It's in the kitchen!
I ate glass!
No.
Oh my god.
Okay, there's one. Wait, we're both in here?
Can I help
Oh, hey,
you?
oh.
This is like smashed your face in.
Why isn't it working?
Are you not able to
you.
get up?
Oh.
There we go.
Ow!
Ow! I just fed you medicine! You
No.
ungrateful child! Get over here. Where are you?
No,
No!
I didn't want to eat that. Okay, you get
Now
over
you
here.
got a passy.
I didn't want to wave at you. You stay there. Ow.
Daddy's gonna find some stuff for you, little lady. Ah, there we go.
Did you go back in the washer? No, you didn't.
Little lady, where are you?
Oh, you're still in here. Come here.
Darn it.
What did you do? Uh-oh. I lost the little one.
Oh, jeez. I can't move.
I lost them. Here, little lady. Little lady.
You think you're getting
No,
away
what
from
are
me?
you doing?
I'm not gonna let you get away from me.
No. Eat it. Eat it all. Eat it all. Eat it all.
Why isn't it letting me pick you up? There we go.
There you go. I
Wait.
can't find little lady.
She might be outside for all you know.
I did leave the door. Hey, no. You get over here.
Ow. Oh no.
You can't catch me. I'm GTAing out of here.
Oh god.
Ow. You know what? I'm done with this. I'm getting the lawnmower.
Little lady. Little lady. What are you doing?
Ow.
God. What are you? What is wrong with you? My God! Oh,
Wait,
you
wait,
died.
wait. How'd you die?
I didn't die.
Not
Wait.
you, the other one.
I thought I gave you medicine.
I poisoned myself!
You're like swimming in paint. You're like doing paint angels and like going,
When you went
ah.
into the closet with the bin, I was hiding in the bin.
You were in the bit. Oh my God.
And then I ate a knife!
Lady,
Know them too.
ladies and gentlemen, we cannot fail. Oh
Wait.
God, they just
Where does that take you?
to the I think the kitchen. Yep, kitchen. No, bad baby.
No, that's my vehicle. Wait, why am I on the ground? No, mine. No, come on.
Wait.
Oh my God, look at all of us. Oh my God. Oh,
Hey!
oh my gosh. You're causing chaos.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Wait, that's
there
actually
you
good
go.
for you, though.
Yeah, drink water. It's good for you.
Wait, he's actually dying.
Ow.
Where is he?
Hey, I don't know. I think you're with him.
No, I went to go get fruit. Oh no.
Lady, have you seen the child?
No.
Where are you?
Nowhere.
I wish there was a way for us to see where the baby is.
No, it's not there. No, not there. Wait, check the car.
No, he's not in there this
No,
time.
not this time. Are you down here? Are you in here?
I don't know, am I?
No.
Where are you?
I found a spot you guys don't know about. This is awesome. Hey, I'm actually dying pretty fast here, guys. You should really try to
Wait,
find
is he in
me.
the washing machine?
No,
I just checked.
Oh, man, I'm starting to feel funny.
Uh-oh.
Wait, where are you?
Goodbye!
You checked upstairs?
How does he do this?
Where were you?
That's
He's not
my
gonna-
secret.
He's never gonna tell us.
Tell us where you were.
All right, son. Not this time. You're not dying this time.
Hey, what's up? Whoa! I love this. Do it again.
Here, I'll trade you that paint can for this soda.
Oh wait. Oh god! Oh, I just got a concussion.
You put a camera on me.
Yeah.
Young man, I did.
You're learning.
I'm learning.
Here, where are you?
He's under the car.
That's fine. Let him stay under there. Unless he's dying, then don't.
Wait.
Or he's still in. Oh my god, he's
Oh.
using a nail gun. What are you guys doing in there?
Apparently keeping him in place.
Press
Doesn't
now.
sound like it.
Also, he's dying.
We'll get
I'm
the
really good at
medicine.
this.
Oh my god.
Aww. Hey, there's
Did you
something
find
in the trash you
medicine?
guys should check. I put
Wait,
something
where's
in
the
the
baby?
trash.
Wait, where's the baby?
Oh, we found a vape?
Wait, hold up. That's what that was?
You found a
Oh,
vape
this is good stuff.
Where's the baby?
in the garage.
Oh wait, I can just check.
No!
I'm trying to crawl for you.
No!
You get more medicine?
No! I accidentally ate the medicine.
Oh
You'll
my
never
God.
find me. Even with your camera, it's not gonna help now.
He's in the oil room.
No, I'm not. I'm outside.
He's in the oil room.
No, but he's
Running
dying.
around,
He's dying. We
running
need
around.
medicine.
He's in the oil.
Ah.
I see where he's dead on the camera.
Oh, man, I'm so good at this.
All right, last round. Let's go.
All right.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stay right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay
Yeah.
right here.
You better. You dumb baby. All right, find the medicine. Don't eat medicine. What the? What was that for?
I don't know. Payback. Wait.
All right, baby's still there. Good.
No.
Wait.
Wait.
I'm
Odd-
a good baby.
Wait, there's two babies. Wait, where did? Oh no, where'd the demon baby go?
He's in the kitchen. He's running outside. He's running outside. He drank soda.
So fast! This is amazing! Hey, that's gonna save you.
You keep an eye on that one. Where did...
I don't have medicine to keep him alive.
Lady, where are you? Wait a minute.
I'm playing hide and seek.
Wait, we have a fish? We have a pet fish.
I can't keep him alive. I need medicine. Okay.
Hey, what does this thing do?
No. Oh, it needs to be filled. Okay. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get medicine. Oh god. Oh god. Medicine. All right.
Where is he?
No, I slept. No, please don't die yet.
Two.
No!
You know you could have grabbed fruit, right?
Oh my god. Why is this so hard? Well done. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe.
And
Don't judge us.
give us hints on how to defeat these demonic babies.
Please help us.
The fact is, Lady disappears and I don't know where she goes.
It's go to another dimension.
She cares me the most.
She does. And I'm gonna leave and think about my life.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.